Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Thank you for being here. As you all know, this product seems to be. I was educating myself also, sitting behind and watching all our esteemed guests talk. And I think this product seems to be a very advanced, product which will help a lot of women, not only people, celebrities like me, but I think women on general. And as I can see, it treats a lot of. You can't call acne a disease. What can I call acne really? What do you term it as? A cosmetic problem. Actually, it's not a cosmetic problem. It becomes an emotional problem. I know so many youngsters who are scared to go out because their skin is full of acne. I know so many teenagers, and they become pockmarked, and they have emotional pressure on them. They get psychologically hurt. They get traumatized because it affects people. And I think this is a great help. So it's something which is revolutionary. As you can see, it helps in acne. It helps in lots of other things. So yeah, when I need it, I'll let you all you doctors know, but please promise me it has to be free treatment.
Yeah, where this product is concerned, because today we are, of course, talking of the whole range, but we are launching Refine, the softest of them all, where climatic conditions are considered. There is no question that it is going to be different if you're going to use it in Europe vis-a-vis India. In India itself, we have so many conditions, climatic conditions. In the north it is so cold, and in Chennai it is so warm. But the same product which is used in the north, in the Himalayas, or in Chennai, it is going to stay for the same amount of time. But depending on where you have put it, if I have used that product in the lips, because I use my lips a lot, because I'm counseling 10-12 hours, I will lose it faster because of the activity. And in a place, suppose I've used half the syringe on my lips and half here, here it will go away faster because of the usage of this organ of mine, whereas here it will stay longer because you see that the tear trough doesn't move. But coming back to, if your social habits are not good, if you're a heavy smoker, that helps in degradation of the product faster. So it is not going to last in any place for very long. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.